So we are going to learn today how to install. How to install Drupal is one of the most easiest installation. This is a step by step. Uh, you need DDEV and Git installed on your computer for this. You might use AI for some steps, but trust me, I've tried that. I was so wrong. I've been misguided in some steps and I've faltered many times. So if you follow along with me on how we can build our Drupal project, it is going to be fun and we can easily. Now let's go on to the first step. If you have DDEV and Composer installed, this should be a piece of cake. Let's just copy this. And if you can go across, let's open new terminal. We have all these things. We're going to say just paste these commands, and our project name here is going to be Drupal Sandbox. It can be any name that you want. I'm choosing Drupal Sandbox because we are working on our AI generator. Let's press enter, and it should do its magic. Let's wait. Now, as you can see, it has created a folder called Drupal Sandbox. This is another completely filled folder, AI test, which has all the different files. Let's close these first. Close all. This is complete. This works. And now we have successfully installed Drupal regimented product template and we are inside that directory. Kudos to us. Let's go. And now we can see we got this exact output. Congratulations. That's where we are. Now, our next step is we need to make the DDEV config file. Now, why is the DDEV config file so important? Because if we are using a framework such as DDEV Drupal 11, it helps us to enable like what we are choosing. Let's say Drupal 11, or what is our document root, or what toolbox we want. All of these things are automatically encompassed in DDEV. So we are going to set up the DDEV config file, and that is pretty simple. We just say DDEV config. We go here, hey, DDEV config. So what's going to be project name? That is the default R folder name. We are going to say Drupal Sandbox CS. What is our document root? It is going to be the same. Just press enter along the way. And a Drupal 11, we have found a Drupal 11 code base. Yes, that is exactly what we want. And here also in brackets, what you see in parentheses, it's just that's what we need. And configuration is complete. Now we can press the desktop. So before we do that, we're going to close the earlier project that I have here, the desktop, because that might conflict. Uh, just wait a second. That to happen. As you can see, now it will also have the .ddev folders. All of these are needed when we use any ddev commands. So let's go back here. Let's just see next what do we have to do. Exactly what I said, ddev config, we hit all these steps. Now we should do ddev steps. But let's, for the next step, as soon as you do the dev start, it will say maybe hey, he's busy. We can use another coach. It will do that on its own. And you can see some folders get on added as soon as we do this. Those are the running folders. And we could see the what. Oh, that's great. Now it has given us a site. We press that and open. It should load, hopefully. Okay, it does not load. It does throw you this error, which is true. Now, this error arises due to a port conflict. It did say we are at 3300. So we just 33000. This might work. 8040. So I would say this is correct. So what we are going to do is we are just going to go to the YAML file. On line 47 and 48, we have router HTTP port and router HTTP ports. This is exactly where we are going to make a change. We are going to say no ports, we are going to say 8080. And here, we are just going to uncomment this line and we say 8443. That's it. We press save and then we press the ddev. Now it will restart on its own. And you can follow along this tutorial for the same. Here, as you see, I had gotten this error. We can fix that. We do restart, exactly what I said, around line 47 and 48. Then it should build, and we should get something like this. Something like this. Now, let's say it's just rebuilding its containers. So, yeah. Now it's ready. You can just go over to the site. should work. Yeah, we're good. We've done that. Now, why did this happen? This is because I had already installed my site. Otherwise, you would get something like this. You will have to choose a language. You will have to press save and continue. And your site instructions add anything like AI recipe generator, admin at the rate. Admin at the rate gmail.com is the default one that people add when they are making. Here, the username and password, I have put admin. So if I have to log out here, let's say I log out and I have to log in again. I just say admin, and yeah, close. Some errors, but I've been a member for 2 days. You just refresh that, and now you can see we do not have members, and you can do this, and that's it. You're done. This is how you install Drupal. It is simple. It is easy. That is exactly how we do it. Thank you, and catch us up in the next video.